It's a Tonka truck driver's dream. Construction is officially underway on the new Integrated Science and Engineering Laboratory facility, commonly known as ISELF. Construction crews are currently working to construct St. Cloud State's newest building. A large hole, bigger than the average sandbox, has taken the place on the location of the former 801 building. The interim dean of the College of Science and Engineering, Kurt Helgeson, describes the work being done on the project.
So to date, what we've done really is site work activity. So we've excavated the majority of the site down to the work level. And then last week they started actually construction of the foundation system. So they actually started pouring concrete last Thursday. So we actually have gone from digging down and stabilizing the soil and now have started to come up out of the ground.
Construction crews from McGough are using many pieces of machinery on this project. Helgeson describes what the passerby is seeing within the construction site.
So fairly common backhoes, caterpillars, those kinds of things, but they've actually started a process called geopiers, and so that's kind of the drilling machine. Looks like, kind of like an oil rig sticking up, and that's actually to do soil stabilization. So they drill 20-inch diameter holes, and then they fill it and ram it with an aggregate to actually stabilize the soil.
Outside of the large vehicles being used, more common tools for woodwork, such as hammers, power tools, and saws are also in the mix. One cannot help but notice the largest piece of equipment on site, a 125-foot crane that towers over the project and helps lift and move the heavier equipment. The facility construction coordinator at SCSU, John Frischman, describes the project's timeline for the upcoming months.
The things that'll be most visible, the structure of the building is steel and concrete. So we'll be in the ground for a while, so people won't see anything coming out of the ground. But in the next weeks, we'll start to see the steel and concrete superstructure. And that'll be the quickest progress we make in the building. After we get the structure up and the roof on, then people don't see much progress from the street. But over the next 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 months, we'll start to see all the structure go up.
The new building is expected to be completed in July of 2013 with a price tag of over $44 million. Reporting in St. Cloud for KVSC News, this is Adam Ulbricht.